Hello students, good morning. Today our subject is general knowledge. In general knowledge, today we will study about European languages. Now you know about the European languages. We all speak English, don't we? But did you know that English is a foreign language from Europe? Now you can see all around we can speak English. Yes? Right. But do you know that English is a foreign language from Europe? Europe is a continent. And Europe is a unique continent made up of approximately 51 independent countries speaking around 200 to 300 local languages. Now you can see Europe is a very big continent, and how many countries are there? 51 independent countries are in Europe. And how many languages are there? 200 to 300. You can imagine how many languages are there? 200 to 300 local languages. There are 24 official languages in the Europe Union. Some of the most widely spoken European languages are English, French, German, Spanish, Italian and Russian. Now there are total 51 independent countries, and inside that 51 independent countries 200 to 300 local languages are there. People speak different languages. There are 24 official languages. Official languages in the Europe Union. Some of the most widely spoken, most likely spoken languages are English, French, German, Spanish, Italian and Russian. Now, see, test your knowledge of the European languages. Match the language and the country in which it is spoken. Now here some countries are given and here languages are given. So we have to find out which country speaks which language. So do you know which country speaks? We have to find out about these languages. Let us read. Let us learn to say hello and thank you in a few European languages. Now here some languages are given and here words are given. Hello and thank you. Now hello and thank you, these are the English words. But in other languages, what hello is known as and what thank you is known as. So here are 5 languages and pronunciation of hello and thank you is also given. So in Spanish, what is hello known as? Hola, and thank you, gracias. In French, hello, bonjour, thank you, merci. In German, hallo, thank you, danke. Italian, ciao, thank you, grazie. In Danish language, hello, hez, thank you, tak. Here some information is given, we will read out. The European Day of Languages is celebrated on the 26th of September every year to create awareness about the importance of languages and to encourage people to learn languages lifelong. So every year on 26th of September, European Day of Languages is celebrated. Why? Because This is celebrated to create awareness among peoples to learn more languages. There are how many languages? 200 to 300 local languages are there. So 26th September is the day to encourage people to learn other languages also. English is the most common official language in the world, with more than 50 countries having English as one of their official languages. Now, all over the world, 50 countries have English as their official language. 50 countries use English as their official languages, and it is the most common language. You can speak English in every country. Basque is considered to be the oldest European language. Basque is the language which is considered to be oldest. It is very old language which was used by Europeans. Now this is the longest word. You can see here. EPAEJAEISTEEMAETTOEMAEDELLIEN is the longest word of the world in Finnish language, which means even with their lack of ability to disorganize. Now Finnish language, where it is spoken? In which country? It is spoken in Finland country. Finland is in Europe. So Finnish language is used in Finland. And what is the meaning of this longest word? It means even with their lack of ability to disorganize. So this is the information about European languages, and we will write about country and their languages in notebook.